Welcome back to our Hope series. I'm Melody. Welcome to my channel, Making Melody Crafts. I'm so glad you're here. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. We're down at the craft table, ready to decorate the second letter in our Hope series. So I'm so glad you're here. I want to get started right away, so let's just get right into it. This is one of the letters that I purchased secondhand, so I'm going to go ahead and get that price tag off. Here we go. So this is actually the back of the letter O, and this has a flat side, but that's okay, it won't matter. We're just going to go ahead and get the gesso on there. I think I'll start with the back first and get the gesso on the back. I've almost got that first coat on there. This is definitely going to need 2 coats, maybe even more, and then we're actually going to be stenciling. All right, all the layers of gesso are on there and all done. There's about 3 layers of gesso on the whole thing, on the whole letter, and now we're going to decorate it. So I'm going to start with this stencil. This is from Recollections, and it's kind of like a quatrefoil pattern. I'm going to use my pouncers, so let's see how that works out. I just added a little painter's tape to keep that stencil from moving too much on me, and it's actually coming out pretty good just with this pouncer. It's a nice light effect, which is what I want. Kind of repositioned my painter's tape there, and now just getting those areas where the tape was. So we'll peel that off. And that's what we've got. Pretty neat, right? So much fun. Such a pretty stencil. And there were other stencils that came in this set. I don't remember what it was called right now, but it is at Michael's. They're the ones that do Recollections. In this Hope series, I just thought I would do because anytime I think hope is so important, hope that things improve and hope that things get better. Just in all ways, you know, not just with the pandemic, but just in everything. All right, that is pretty cool. I'm liking that. I just kind of like doing that because it gives it a nice frame when I get that other color on the edge of whatever it is that I'm doing, whether it's something like this with a letter or a card. Really liking that. So I'm going to make a decoration to hang off of the O, like from the back and hang down. So excited to do that. And really adorable little jewelry findings that I actually got secondhand. And don't mind my dog, he is whining and wants all of his food all at once, but it's really not that late, so he's probably just going to be whining a little here. So let's pour these out, and I'm just going to kind of keep them there so that I don't lose anything. All right, let's get started with this. That's what we've got so far, and then I'm just going to keep on building on there. Now we've got the charms all finished and ready to fit on there, and they're just so cute, right? So there's a little key, and then there's the ship's wheel, is that what you call it? And then some beads, and the little leaf is just so adorable. And this letter actually has a little hook in the back, so I'm gonna just hook it on there. All right, now the charms are on there, just kind of hanging on that little hook in the back. It's like just a little nail there, actually. That is really cute. I just love it. And then I just prepared a few different pieces of paper that I like and I just thought were cute and went together. So this just says Hope, and it's out of an old dictionary, so it's teeny tiny. Adorable, right? I'm going to finish gluing that down now. That's all glued down now with my permanent glue, the Scotch Create glue stick. I like it so much. And the charms I just think are so much fun, and I hope this video did bring you some joy and some hope. And if you had some fun or learned something, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it so much, and I'll catch you later.